AccuPlan's been in the self-directed IRA arena in one shape or another for over 15 years. I myself have been in it since 2009. So the expertise and experience is there, along with our 24 to 48 hour turnaround time on moving your funds from us towards your directed investment. You can contact me, Brian Davis, by email at briandavis@accuplan.net or call me at 619-892-2438 or go online to accuplansandiego.com.